Hello, today I want to pick this Assa 600 with green bottle pulse. It's a pretty difficult lock to pick. I'm still struggling with it. So let's see how it goes. One's good, two's good. 3, I click. 6 is good, 5 is binding, good click. 4 is good, 3 is good, 2 is good, 1 is binding. Okay, we have a good click. Out of 1. 4, false set is deeper. Should be able to float pick now. Alright, we should start with pin number 1. Okay, 1 is good, 2 is okay, 3 is okay, 4 is okay for now. Now pin number 5. One dropped, I think. 5 as well. Perfect. Let's start over. Sounds good. Okay, 5 is set. Did one drop? Feels like it. 5 set, but let's see. Okay, now we need to start over because one wasn't set. One dropped. Okay, one set. Let's go to 5. Okay, 5 set, one dropped. Yes, I think so. One is probably set. What about 5? Five set, one dropped. Okay, that might be something. One field set and 5 didn't drop. Okay, careful now. Oh no. Okay. 3. Oh. Oh, fucking fuck. Finally. Oh my god. Oh. Yeah. Alright. I had to set 6 by accident. That sounds weird, but it's a pretty low cut. Maybe I have preset it. Somehow I haven't actually tried to preset 6 ever, so maybe that was possible, and it happened because 6 was usually the last pin to set. Oh my god. Oh. As you can see, I'm really struggling with this lock. The biggest problems I have with pins 5 and 1. I suspect that they might be actually binding very, very close to each other. I need to watch the vid, but I think usually I set first 1, then 5, and this combination worked usually, but I wasn't able to do it. Let's say it this way. I picked this lock like 4 times maybe, and also pins 1 and 5 alone like 3 or 4 times, and probably maybe every time I have picked it, the 1 had to be set before 5, so it was 1, then 5, then 2, then 3, then 6. And what happened during this pick I have just presented, I think, was that I have set 5 and then 1. So the binding order of these pins was very close from the beginning, because I was really struggling. I was setting 1, then when I was trying slowly, really precisely set 5, the pin number 1 was dropping, and like that all the time pretty much. 1 and 5 and 5 and 1. But the binding order has changed, I think, because I'm pretty sure. Wait. 6, 5. I think that was here. Oh no. Wait. That was a low cut, but it had a survivor. This lock is quite mastered, but it really doesn't matter, I think. I feel that it doesn't matter, really. It's a pain as is. The rest of the chambers aren't mastered. My god. Can't believe I have actually managed to record this log finally, because this is like my 50th or 60th take. I'm not kidding. I was trying to record it yesterday evening, like once or twice, because I was in the zone and I was really feeling it, but I didn't have too much time to do it, so I thought that I'm going to do it in the morning. So I have my whole morning I have spent trying to record it, like 30 times maybe. Then I went for a walk, then I came back, then I tried it like 10 more times and no dice, until finally this is my like 10th or 15th take in this setting. So yeah, sounds fun, doesn't it? This is really difficult to pick, especially since this really close binding order, so the small difference in some size may be like lateral I don't know what I'm saying. What I'm saying is the like lateral difference between chambers like 5 and 1 combined with the diameter of pins 5 and 1 like the difference is very, very small, so the lock is very, very hard to pick. Because there's not much of a chance, there's not much, not big of a safety net, I can say. I guess if you like move your tensioner like 1/100th, so 1/100 degree too much, then other pin drops, and that's how it is with this lock. Okay, there you have Assa, nothing really cool there. Then we have here, I guess I should show you this side because I was picking this way. Come on, focus. Yes, there we have this under. The undercut in chambers 2 especially, and 3 to some degree, is a bit worn, and there is some slight counter rotation at the end when you are carefully floating. There is a point when you are almost rotated correctly, as much as you should, and then there's a tiny bit of counter rotation at the end, so it helps to pick these pins 2 and 3 to some degree, but I mean the 1 and 5 make up for it really well. The 4 is barely a lift. The 6 doesn't have this doesn't give this counter rotation, but it's a low lift and it's not that hard actually to pick, but it's not that worn. But this, what on this side, 6 is good, 5 is good, 3 feels good, 4 feels good, 3 maybe this way feels a little bit less worn. Okay, there we have our pins, gin bottle spools. You can do a tiny presentation at the end. Okay, I have this gin. See. Alright, I think that would be it. So, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed me struggling with this lock. I hope you also have a great day, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye bye. All the best to you.